In this guide, we'll cover the batch CSV endpoint for Geocodio On-Premises, a way to bulk geocode CSV files directly through the On-Premises API. On-premises customers can use the batch geocoding endpoint to submit CSV files of up to 10,000 lookups at a time. This is in addition to the existing JSON support, so you can send CSV input and get CSV output without any conversion step. To geocode a CSV file, set the content type header to text/CSV. The first row should contain column headers. You can use a single column named Q for full addresses, or separate columns for street, city, state, postal code, and country. The file should use commas as separators, double quotes for enclosure, backslash for escaping, and new lines to end each row. Here's an example using curl. You create a CSV file with an ID column and a Q column containing full addresses. Then, post the file to your server's batch geocode endpoint with the content type set to text/CSV. You can also request data appends by adding the fields parameter to the URL, just like the hosted API. For example, adding fields equals zip4 will include USPS zip +4 data in the output. The additional columns are automatically appended to the CSV response. The response comes back as CSV with columns for the original data plus geocoded results: latitude, longitude, accuracy score, accuracy type, parsed address components, and any requested data appends. It's ready to use directly in your spreadsheet or data pipeline. That's how batch CSV geocoding works on Geocodio On-Premises. Check out the full guide at Geocodio for detailed examples and output format.